Hi, Herbs. Hi, my name is Herbie. I'm a puppy. I'm a puppy. I'm a Newfypoo. I am Herbie the Newfypoo. Come on, Herbs. Come on, Herbs. Come on, cutie boy. What you got going on? Hi, I'm Herbie. I'm a Newfypoo. I like puppies and playing and biting. Let's see those eyes. Let's see those eyes, boy. Ooh, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. Hey, what's this? Oh, you good boy. You good boy. Hi, I'm Herbs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You good boy? Herbie is 9 weeks old and he's about 25 pounds. Oh, who's a big boy? Who's the big boy? Let me see those eyes. Let me see those eyes. Wow. Handsome. Wow. Come on, Herbs. Come on. Herbie. Herbs. He doesn't know his name yet. Oh, does he? Hi, pups. Hi, pups. Are you a cutie? Are you a cutie? Smell the camera. Smell it. This is Herbie. Herbie. Well, this is like the smartest dog I've ever had. I've had like 10 dogs. They've all been big except for a couple Yorkies. And this dog is by far my first poodle mix. He's a Newfypoo, and he is by far the smartest dog I've ever seen. He learned how to basically whine at the door to go potty right away. He's only 9 weeks and he's already doing that, so that should tell you something. He is brown, nice and brown. If you see right here, he's got a little bit of blonde on his schnoz. Let me see your buddy. Let me see your belly. Let me see your belly. Oh, good boy. He's got a little white patch. Yeah. Oh, is that itchy? Oh, look at the itches. Look at the itches. Yeah. For some reason, his armpit's itchy. You can see his ears a little crusty because I had to give him some. I had to give him some medication in his ears because he had a little bit of either ear mites or some kind of something going on. But the vet gave me something. Oh yeah, who's the pups? Who's the pups? Watch where he does when I go. Let's see if he does anything. He's just a sweet boy. He's just a sweet boy. Anyway, I'm super amazed at how fast he got potty trained. Look at those paws. That's my hand. I have like a medium-sized hand. A big old boy. You big old boy. You big old boy. So they anticipate he's going to be like 120 to 140 pounds at full grown. He's mixed. A 90-pound standard poodle is the papa, and the mom was a 140-pound Newfoundland. Yeah, so he's an F1. But as you can see, watch this. Is the camera seeing that? You can't see anything. You can't see anything. There's no hair. There's no fur. Even as a puppy, I thought puppy fur would come off more easily. There's nothing. He doesn't shed like at all. Good boy. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Good boy. And he just loves to play. He gets about like maybe 20 to 40 minutes of active runaround time. Maximum 40 minutes when the kids are here. But he's just a cute little puppy. Who's the puppies? Who's the puppies? I'm trying to let him chew on this, and while he chews on this, here, take that, take it. Good boy. And I just mess with him, right? You just mess with him. So he doesn't try to bite your hand ever. He'll just keep his mouth on the toy, and he'll get used to being messed with when he has toys and stuff like that. And you just mess with him and push him around and mess with him. Rough house, huh? You good boy. And no biting, huh? You don't bite at all. You're the best boy ever. You're the best boy ever. Why is your chin itchy? Why are you so itchy, bro? You're a sweet boy. Look at this doll. Look at this doll. Oh, yeah. You cutie. You cutie. Here you go. Yo, hey, no, not my shoes. Thank you. By the way, at 9 weeks old, he knows no. He knows what that means. Because I had to... Why are you so itchy? Do you have fleas, boy? Are you flea-ridden? Are you flea-bitten? I don't think so. I think you're just getting warm in those spots. In some hot spots, it's hot. It's hot out, isn't it? Huh. Let me scratch you. Let me scratch your ears. Shake. Good boy. Good boy. Here, play with the toy. So anyway, he doesn't really understand a whole lot because he's just a poop. He's just a little poopy. What's up, poops? Look at this. Hey, don't bite the camera. No nibbling the camera. No nibbling the camera. Help! 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 Ah, he's attacking me! What are you doing, boy? What are you doing, boy? Huh? 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 What you doing, boy? Anyway, this, everybody, is a 9-week-old. Not even 9 weeks. He's actually like 8.5 weeks. A 9-week-old puppy. He's a 9-week-old puppy. What kind of puppy is this size? Let me see your face.